Hey everyone, Jason at fireplaceblowersonline.com. I want to just do another product overview of a kit we have. This is our 911-028 kit. So this is a Kozy Heat fan kit used on all 911 series models. So that's the 911, the 911 XL, and the 911 XXL. And this is an aftermarket version of the kit. This is not OEM, so this is something we've put together ourselves. Let's start with the blowers. A couple of big differences on the blowers, obviously, is we are using 100% sealed ball bearing units. So that means 2 ball bearings, sealed ball bearings in the motor, as well as the end caps. The original ones were using plastic or nylon bushings. So those had a tendency to wear out a little quicker. We have the same speed control box that's used in the original kit, pretty close to it. A magnetic temperature sensor, and a 3-prong grounded power cord. We actually ship these without the wires on the motors. So the 2 blue leads will go to one motor, the 2 loose red leads will go to the other motor. So I'll have Jim swing in here for a second. He's just gonna attach these really quick just so you guys get an idea of how that's done. Real easy to do. So each motor's got 2 male terminals that stick out. So just slide each of those blue terminals over one, the 2 red terminals over the other one, and you essentially completed your installation. So the one other notable difference, the original blowers used a sheet metal bracket essentially to mount the blowers. We're in the process of coming up with a better solution for that. We do not have those brackets, so instead in these models we're actually using some Velcro against the back wall, really thick closed cell foam on the bottom. We may or may not go to a magnetic mounting solution for these guys, which will make it even easier. So we're going through some trial and error on that guy right now. So by the time you see this video, it's very possible these could have converted over to the magnetic solution. But we're doing this all at a price point that's under the OEM kit for much nicer blowers. So if you guys have any questions, give us a call, 262-989-4882, or you can email us at support@fireplaceblowersonline.com. Thanks again.